Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can add these steps numbers into the image with the help of a Snagit tool. It's very simple. Just go to the Snagit. So guys, this is the Snagit tool. With the help of this tool we can add the steps numbers into the image file. As you can see, I have already attached the image file. Once you add the image file, click on the more option, click on steps. Right side you will see numbers, letters, whatever you want. You can add numbers, letters into your image file, and also you can change the shapes, change the colors. These all things you can do. Now add the numbers into the image. So in this way you can explain your image with the help of using numbers. Along with, also you can take letters to explain your image file. So this is the way. So in this way you can explain, you can represent to your image file with the help of numbers and letters, and also you can change the different shapes and formats. So this is how we can do, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next more video.